Now, this assignment, you're going to be drawing and learning more about different kinds of shapes and how you can bend a shape and add words to a shape and adjust your object order. One of the things we're going to learn about is a adjustment handle. It's a yellow diamond that when dragged alters the shape of your objects. And then a call out, which is a shape that contains text that's used to emphasize speaking or thinking by another person. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to insert a new drawing canvas after you've opened a new document in Word. So insert, click on the Insert tab, then click Shapes, and then click New Drawing Canvas. Now this allows us to have a space that we can add shapes to. So click your Insert Shapes in the Insert Shapes group, click the More button, then click on the smiley face. Click and drag in your drawing canvas to draw a smiley face. Notice the yellow diamond handle. This can allow us to change the way our shape looks. So we can take it from a smiley face to a frowny face if we want by just simply clicking on the diamond handle and dragging up or down. Or we could even make it just straight. But for now, we're going to leave it as a frown. Another type of shape that we are going to use is the call-out. There's two different kinds or basic kinds of call-outs. There's a cloud call-out, which indicates that someone is thinking, and there's a rectangular or rounded rectangular call-out, which indicates that someone is speaking. So we're going to click on the rounded rectangular one, and then we're going to put it over by our smiley face. Notice that it also has a yellow diamond adjustment handle that can allow us to move and adjust where our speech is coming from. You may notice that there's no text or cursor blinking there. All you would have to do would be to start typing. But before we do that, we're going to go ahead and add a different shape. We can add many different shapes. We can add text to a shape. So from the More Shapes group, find the Stars and Banner category. Okay, select Explosion 2. Notice when you drag your mouse over it, screen tips pops up. Okay, click and drag the shape inside the drawing canvas to create an explosion. Right-click on top of it to add text. And you can add whatever text you'd like. Notice that some of the text that I was typing went off the page. So I would have to increase the size of my shape or change my text in order to make sure that you could still see the text. Now, you can still change your text. You can change your font size. You can change your font color, your font shape. Even add text effects if you wanted to. Just be careful when you do that. Now click the explosion, click and drag to where it is a four-cornered directional arrow. You're going to click and drag your explosion so that it's over the smiley face. But we don't want it over the smiley face, so click your Drawing Tools Format tab if it's not already selected, and click Send Backward. If that doesn't work, then click Send to Back. Now, sometimes you could just click on the other shape and bring it forward. Then you can adjust your shape and locations to fit your text and your picture. And you can type anything you want. You don't even have to right click, you can just start typing. Now notice there are many other symbols available to you, including shapes such as a heart, there's a sun, there's what we call the no symbol. Just follow the directions on adding those to your shape, and then format it by changing your shape fills and all the other effects to finish out drawing more shapes.